So in this test we're going to just see what the interface is like while reading the book. So you click read. So it starts off here as a normal book would, table of contents, but I imagine you could click on chapter 2 and it will take you to chapter 2. And you have a scroll bar down here, so back 4 pages. Out, how many pages out of so many? That's that page. That's that page. So let's go back to the beginning. So you can just scroll back, simple as that. Turn the page by the way you would flick a book. So just simply scrolling through about the author. This is just the normal book things. Chapter 2. So options at the top here. So we've got, I guess, go back. Not sure what this one is, so we'll click on that. That takes me to the table of contents. So I can easily click on chapter 3 and it'll take me to chapter 3. Bookmarks. So if I can add bookmarks and it'll keep my place. And notes. So you can even write notes or highlight things while you're telling the story. So we'll resume the story. So it's clearly telling me what book I'm reading and who it's by all the time through every page by the looks of it. This one here, this option here, allows me to change the brightness, change the font type in case you read better with a certain font, increase the font size, and that was set into a dark setting because it's quite dark in this room. But you could set it for a lighter setting, but this is auto night themed, so it will automatically turn dark at certain times. And scrolling view, not sure what that does. Oh, so that gets rid of the page layout and allows me to just scroll through it like that, if that's what you fancied, instead of, that limits my options down here, just means I'm scrolling through a massive long book. So we will stop that. Here, search for a page number, so let's go 100, chapter 9. Oh, that was giving me some more options. Let's see what that does. Chapter 1. Searching web, you can do all kinds of stuff here, so I'm not sure what that's doing. Bookmarks, so if I bookmarked there, and then I went here, bookmarks, chapter 9, today, I can go back to where I was. I think I might be able to highlight things, and then if I go back here, there was a place where I can look at highlighted notes, it was, wasn't it? So it's highlighted the section of the book and then it takes me to it, which is interesting. I suppose more of a reading tool, but so that's the interface of horizontally, but if you turn it this way, I'm sure it just reads it as a normal book. But with more of a kind of page interface, as if you're reading an actual book. But that seems to be the only difference horizontally. You have the same options up here, it's just the way you prefer to read. And so that's the test over.